Hi everyone, today is the first video of my new series where I go through how to solve all the WSA events. Today we're going to be doing Beginners 2x2. The first step when solving a 2x2 is to find a corner that you can identify with. For me it is this corner here as it has my logo on it. Here we're going to start with the white layer. So we're looking for the white and red or the white and green corners. Here we have the white and red and blue corner. This one goes here. This is where we come to the first algorithm on how to solve the 2x2. Algorithm goes like this. R, U, R prime, U prime. Repeat this algorithm until this corner is in this slot with the white facing down. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. Just like that. Now we move on to the second corner. Here we've got the blue, white, orange, which goes into this corner. We form the algorithm again. Sometimes you'll find that there is a corner already in the bottom layer, but is in the wrong spot. Here we perform the algorithm again, R, U, R prime, U prime, and now we rotate it to the slot that it needs to go. Once we've solved the entire bottom layer, now we concentrate on the top. What we are looking for is one of these corners in the right spot in reference to the bottom layer, while the other three are not. The way we do this is by picking a corner, for example, blue, orange and yellow, and connecting it to the blue, orange and yellow side. Here we look through the other colors to see if they are in the correct spot or in the incorrect spot. This is in the correct spot, this is in the incorrect spot, and this is in the incorrect spot. Here we have 2 in the correct spot and 2 in the incorrect spot. This is not what we are looking for. We are looking for 1 in the correct spot. We can achieve this by simply just rotating the top layer until we find one. Once we have 3 in the incorrect spot and 1 in the correct spot, we hold the one that is in the right spot in the bottom right corner, like this, and we perform this next algorithm. This algorithm goes L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. We now check to see if these 3 are in the correct spot, which they are not. We need to perform this algorithm again. If we now look, all 4 corners are in the correct spot. Sometimes we might get something like this, where we have 1 in the correct spot, and then diagonally across, we've also got 1 in the correct spot, while the other 2 remain incorrect. When this happens, perform the algorithm from anywhere. Now if we look, we'll be able to find 1 corner that is in the correct spot. Once all 4 corners are in the correct spot, we want to rotate the cube over so the white is facing us. We now want to look and pick a corner from the bottom layer that is not complete. This is yellow on the bottom, which means this one is complete. So we'll move it over. This does not have yellow on the bottom, so it is not complete. So we'll use this corner. We now perform the algorithm that we learned in the first half of the video. R, U, R prime, U prime. We now repeat that until this yellow corner is facing down. Just like that. We now move on to the second corner. What we want to do is we want to leave the top layer exactly where it is and only rotate the bottom layer across to the next corner that needs to be fixed. We now perform the algorithm again until that corner is fixed. Remember, it is very important to make sure you hold the top layer in the same orientation while conducting this algorithm. We've moved to the corner over again and we'll perform the algorithm. And that's how you solve the 2x2 with Beginners method. Make sure you like and subscribe, as next week I'll be doing how to solve a 3x3 with Beginners method.